Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. It is early, man. So today I'm gonna go be getting valve cover gasket and spark plugs for the car. I'm gonna be doing that this morning. I'm going over to my friend, a mechanic named Black in Lancaster. So I'm gonna go Napa now, get the parts. Then from there we're going over to Lancaster. All right, so I've been missing from my channel for a while. Had somebody really close to me passed away, so I had to take care of that and cope with that before I could start making videos again. And actually after that too, I actually got sick right behind that, so I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but now I'm back. Hopefully I can start getting back to myself. I don't know if you ever lost a loved one, but it's always hard when you lose someone that's really close to you, and just learning how to cope with that is always a process. So but I'm learning how to deal with it, and I'm working on that, so I'll be back to my normal self very soon. So stay tuned, close. Of course, like I said, I'm still trying to bring as much content I can to you guys, so just turn your notifications on, just be aware of that, and be on the lookout for my content. And I wanted to say this too, by the way. I never knew the importance of a heated steering wheel. So this car has a heated steering wheel. I can see the button. Let me focus in. Boom, right there. And on cold days, man, this thing comes in handy. Let me tell you, man, I love having this damn thing. I never knew the importance of it until I had it in this car. And this car, the 07, I was so proud that it had it, this feature. And let me tell you, I love that damn feature. Oh my God, what an amazing feature. All right, here we go, pulling up to Napa right now. They look closed, but they're open. Let's run up in here right quick. Nice and easy. All right, so I got the spark plugs from Napa. I got these joints. That's what they had in stock. Also, they didn't have valve cover gaskets, so now I gotta go somewhere else to find the valve cover gasket. So trip number 2. So now we're putting on to my partner Black House. He is not here. Pulling around to see. About to remove this. Yeah, we'll probably remove this too.
That's gonna be covered.
And then the mama covers out the way. And then we can remove the intakes and get to the valve covers. All right, so now I'm gonna take the air box off on both sides and the breather. All right, so finally got everything taken off. So this floor is gonna be paying off here on this side and on that side. So let's get to it. Got a lot to do. All right, so far, disconnected all these clamps, disconnected everything. Once everything is connected, then we're gonna be screwing the bolts here. Should be this on top end 5, on the bottom end is 4. They'll take off. All right, so they take them clamps off there. They're hooked up there. And then now we're getting ready to take that loose right there. And take that loose right there. Alright, so make sure 2 screws to take out. Make sure you take out that screw right there and that screw right there. That's very important. Otherwise you're gonna be able to get the gasket off, so the valve cover off. So make sure you take that off. Those 2 screws right there. And then after that you should be able to just wiggle it and it should come straight off. Oh yeah, and that too, which is out there in the back.
Okay, let me call them and see. All right.
So we did have to move this back here to get room to take this off. So now we got the cover off. So this is how my old spark plug looked. It was beyond time to get done. So yeah, I'm glad we're doing this. All right, so we got all 4 taken out and got the new ones in already. All right, so now what we're doing, making sure the valve covers get clean. Put the new gaskets in. And then setting it back in. And so we got this side done here. Everything put back on. Wire plugs. ETC. And then I'm gonna knock out this other side on this side. And get this one out there real quick. So this is the passenger side over here. Make sure you take the battery and the housing out. Battery tray, sorry.
Take two.
Yeah, take two. And then this box right here where the fuse box is, make sure you disconnect that wire right there. That's important too. Otherwise you won't be able to take this valve cover off. Alright, so got both air boxes on both sides. Now we got this piece to put back on. We double checked everything, make sure everything all buttoned up and tight. Put the battery back, connected everything, make sure no other wires are loose. And alright, let's finish her up. Start it back through, everything put back together. Now it's a little smoky. You can see a little smoke. I can see it good on the camera, but it's a little smoky. Let's start it up. Oil and gas, but it fills up pretty quickly. Yeah, they're running. Alright guys, so I finally made it home. Car drives good. Everything sounds good. Let me tell y'all, this was a very long process. I will never ever do this again, by the way. I just paid in my dealership to do this. It took us about 7 hours to do this total. And, I mean, we wasn't rushing or anything. We was taking our time, but still, long goddamn time. So, I mean, if you got this hours time to spare, by all means do it. But I recommend go somewhere to a shop, dealership, or something to do this, because this is crazy. But that's it for this one, man, this episode. Stay tuned to the next one. See y'all later. Peace.